Welcome to a series of videos showing you how to maintain your pumps. This particular pump is an Encore 700 plunger pump. You will have purchased a full kit of parts to do a service on this plunger pump. All of these parts will have been individually packed and clearly marked with the part numbers that can be referenced in the instruction manual. Typically these are the parts that will be in the kit, and these can be manufactured from various different materials. These ones are plastic, and they are the guides, retainers and the O-rings that go into them. These are the seats, again they could be stainless steel or plastic, and the O-rings associated with them. And finally the balls, which again can be different materials depending on the chemicals being pumped. The first job is to remove the two retaining nuts that hold the valve clamp in place. Now check the inside of the clamp for any damage where it seats on the valve. The next job is to remove the valve body itself. These can become stuck over time. The next job is to dismantle the valve stack itself, and you can start by trying to remove the O-rings in the grooves in the top and bottom of the guides. You can also pull the seat out and the bolt. Some of these O-rings, if they've been in there for many years, will have either perished or become very stuck in these grooves. But you'll be replacing them, so it really doesn't matter if you damage these in trying to remove them. Now is the time to replace the new parts you've purchased. The valve stack, the ball, the seat and the O-rings that go with it. Remember, you're only replacing one half of the valve at this point. We will start by replacing the valve guide O-rings. These are the larger of the two O-rings you will have found in the kit. You can then replace the small O-ring, which is on the valve seat. Place the ball back in the valve guide and then place the valve seat on top and press it as far as it will go. Now you can replace the valve stack back onto the head, ensuring that the valve is the right way round, indicated by the arrows. Now you can replace the top valve clamp, followed by the washers and the securing nuts. Make sure the valve clamp is seated properly on top of the valve before tightening the nuts. And please remember to refer to the manual for the torque settings associated with tightening these nuts. And what you've just seen at the top is identical on the inlet valve at the bottom. And if you would like to know how to change the plunger and the packing devices around the ceramic plunger in this head, we'll be removing the entire head and show you how that procedure takes place in another video.